My name is Tushabaronat. I'm the team leader. PEPAS. PEPAS is Primary Education Performance Assessment System, and it's an AI-powered education platform that enables teachers in rural schools in Uganda access teaching materials like notes, schemes of work, which are in line with national established curriculum. It also enables district education officials, those are the managers of schools, to access real-time data that enables them to monitor performance of schools for quick decision making. This idea was developed to respond to the challenge of inadequate teaching by most teachers in rural schools, whereby some teachers use outdated notes while others use notes that are not in line with the curriculum. It also came to address the challenge of inadequate access to data from schools, whereby district education officials lacked data that would enable them to understand what takes place in schools for quick decision making. That's why we developed an AI-powered platform that would provide them with access to teaching materials that is for teachers, but also enable district education officials access real-time data which is adequate enough to enable them in decision making. So my journey with Boma Prize for Africa has been exciting, in that I have learned business models, pitching to investors, and I'm looking forward even to win the cash prize, which would enable me scale this idea further. And so far, the interesting journey has been the Boma for Africa masterclasses, which has given me the whole understanding of entrepreneurship, in that this knowledge is so crucial in shaping me to understand how to market an idea, branding an idea, building business model, financial models. All that has been possible because of Boma Prize for Africa masterclasses. Thank you.